Look at Neo and Milo. They've had a big day playing outside, rolling in the grass and digging in the dirt. Let's go get them clean. Let's do it together. First, let's wash our hands. Turn on the water. Not too hot. Wet your hands, then add some soap. Rub your palms, your thumbs, and between your fingers. Scrub the front, and don't forget the back. Now rinse well and shake off the bubbles. Nice and clean. Sometimes our faces get dirty when we eat or play. That's when we grab a towel and gently wipe around the nose, cheeks, and chin. All clean. Next, it's time to brush our teeth. Neo uses a pink toothbrush, and Milo has a blue one. They brush up and down, nice and slow. That's how we keep our smiles bright. Now it's bath time. Neo jumps into the tub, while Milo splashes with the rubber duck. They wash their paws, their tails, and behind their ears. The bubbles are everywhere, and that means they're getting really clean. Neo and Milo dry off with fluffy towels, so just remember to stay clean. We need to wash our hands, wipe our face, brush our teeth, and have a bath. Stay clean, like Neo and Milo.